The common belief out there is that affiliate marketing is a scam. And the only way to successfully do affiliate marketing is to either buy a course and then become an affiliate for it, or simply just be scammy and shady. But if you are a YouTuber, especially a YouTuber that is not monetized, or you're small and you're only making like $10 a day, you need to be doing affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing for any and every niche. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the affiliate program that every single YouTuber needs to be implementing into their business if they want long-term success. YouTube is a business, regardless if you're doing it for funsies, regardless if you are just doing it to upload videos, it's still a business. YouTube itself is a business, and you should think of yourself the same way. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give you a quick backstory of how I learned this. We're going to talk about some strategies, some tactics for you to implement step by step, and then I'm going to make a special offer to you that you can take advantage of this Thursday. So just a quick story about how I learned this. When I first got started with YouTube, I was creating videos just kind of randomly. I've had some videos about creating WordPress websites with Amazon Web Services. I created a few websites about Fiverr because I was trying to freelance over on Fiverr. It wasn't until I started creating videos with a purpose, where I was creating specific type of videos and then putting affiliate links in the description of my videos, that I actually started finding success. The best part about it is I wasn't monetized. I didn't have 1,000 subscribers. I didn't have 4,000 watch hours. That was the minimum requirements that you needed at the time. I didn't have any of that, and I was able to start making money. Was it a lot of money? Not in the beginning, but with uploading more and more videos, I started earning more and more commissions. And the older videos where I had affiliate links started to pay me as well. One of the questions or complaints that I get is, when you start affiliate marketing, you don't make that much money. However, the other side of the coin is, until you're monetized with YouTube, you don't make any money. So I'd rather have a trickle come in than nothing at all, and then hoping and praying in one day and wishing that a faucet will just explode, right? So start affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you my recommended affiliate program that you should start. You might disagree with me. If you think there's a better one out there, comment down below. Now, as I mentioned before, a lot of people have a misconception of what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just recommending products and services that you already know, use, and love. The best part about affiliate marketing is that people will trust you, the content creator, because they see you as one of them. They might see you as slightly elevated because they're watching your content, but for the most part, they will trust you more than they trust Walmart or Target or Best Buy, because they know that those companies are out there just to sell them things. Think about affiliate marketing kind of like this. A few months ago, the new Superman came out. And before I went to go see it, I asked a friend of mine, hey, you saw Superman. Is it kid friendly? It's rated PG-13. I've got 10-year-old and a 7-year-old. Is it kid friendly? And he said, you know what? It's probably not kid friendly. There's a lot of violence. There's a little bit of cussing, but mostly there's violence. There is a lot of aliens and stuff that might make your kids stay up at night or have bad dreams. And I said, okay, thanks. What would you recommend instead? He recommended a different movie, and that's what we went and saw. That's essentially what affiliate marketing is. You are having a conversation, you are teaching somebody something, you're helping them make a decision, and then you're actually getting paid for it on the back end. And this is something that you can do for literally any niche. And the easiest way to think about it, if you're wondering, will affiliate marketing work for you? Ask yourself this: are there products and services that are being bought and sold in my niche? The answer is yes, then you can do affiliate marketing. If the answer is no, you probably shouldn't be in that niche. And chances are you have probably purchased something for your niche, so you're in a great position to get started. So that's why I think affiliate marketing is perfect for any YouTuber, regardless of the size. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and talk about the tactics, what we should do step by step. Step number one is do one of two things. Pick one product that you've purchased recently, or pick 5 products that belong together. Let me give you an example. One product could be just this DJI Osmos 3. Okay. I could just talk about this product. However, if you want more content, You could talk about everything that is required for content creation. So we could pick this camera. We could even pick this microphone. I've got 3 lights here. There's actually a light behind me. Because our niche will be about content creation, maybe content creation on YouTube. Once we have our niche, and I'm going to heavily stress, make sure that you focus on products that you've already purchased. It's easier that way. It's much easier to build trust. You've used the products before, and so you know the good, the bad, and the ugly. The next thing that you're going to do, and I'm going to get probably a lot of pushback on this, is you are going to apply to join Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is the affiliate wing for Amazon. When you join Amazon Associates, you are going to have access to promote just about any of their products and services. Now, you're going to say, hopefully you should say, Alston, the commissions are insanely low on Amazon. That is true. However, the other side of that is as you create content, people will start to click on your affiliate links and they'll buy random stuff. So what normally happens for me, and this happens on my security camera guy website or YouTube channel, they'll click on my affiliate link to buy a Ring video doorbell. Though they might buy the Ring video doorbell, or they might buy a pack of underwear, a pack of socks, some towels, laundry detergent. They'll buy all sorts of stuff. If they click on your affiliate link and they make a purchase within the last 24 hours and you're the last affiliate link click, you get the commission on all of that stuff. I should actually bring up right now some of the things that have been purchased using my affiliate link, and that is kind of the trade-off. The trade-off is the affiliate commissions are pretty low, right? They're usually between 1 and 10%. Most likely it's going to be between 1 and 3%. However, oftentimes people will add all sorts of stuff in their cart. So let me give you an example. Some of the stuff that people have purchased that I don't directly promote, but I've made money and I've earned commissions. If we go to earnings here, Universal Principles of Design, updated and expanded 3rd edition that looks like a book. Soft chews for dogs. Creatine monohydrate. Hip and joint supplement. Someone purchased a membership fee through my affiliate link. Universal tablet tripod mount adapter, 3-pack USB extension cable. So they're buying all sorts of stuff, and it all comes from my affiliate links. 20-pack claw drywall picture hangers. Someone bought picture hangers using my affiliate link. And that's something that you can do too. And I see one that someone purchased some scrubs as well. So again, the good and bad is that the affiliate commissions are pretty low. However, you earn a commission on anything that they buy when they click on your affiliate link. And the other benefit of Amazon is people know, like, and trust Amazon. With Amazon, you can partner with major brands. For example, I purchased this Rode wireless microphone through Amazon. People know and trust Rode, and so they're ready to buy. They're a little bit more hesitant to buy nameless things that might be directly from the manufacturer, and they just kind of put a name on it. But if there's a lot of information out there, or if Rode is an established brand, for example, people will trust it and people will buy it. Chances are that's why you buy things that are name brand, because you know the quality and you have an expectation. So you're going to simply apply to join Amazon Associates. To join Amazon Associates 100% free, you just enter in the information, enter in your YouTube channel, and you're going to get a conditional acceptance. And what the conditional acceptance is that you've got to have at least 3 qualified sales within a certain period of time, and then you get a full acceptance. Now that you have that, you are going to create value-based content. Now, this is really important. I'm going to tell you the exact piece of content that you need to create. You are going to create a review video for the product that you have. So, and what's really important is that when you create these videos, you want to create a review with the title of the name in the video, because what happens is people will see a product over on Amazon. They say, okay, it's got pretty good reviews. Let me go see what they're saying over on YouTube. And they're going to copy the entire name of the product from Amazon and paste it into YouTube. So they're going to type in DJI Osmos 3 review. That's the name of this camera. They're going to type in DJI Osmos 3 unboxing, first impressions, features, setup, 6-month review, and those are the videos you're going to create. Review, unboxing, setup, features, 6-month review, um, those 5 to start. And you can do that for all of the products that are under the same niche or umbrella. Remember earlier I talked about how I could create content about this microphone, this camera, the different lights, because it's under the same niche. It's under content creation. So that's the first step. The second thing that you want to do is you want to create comparison videos. So you're going to type in DJI Osmos 3 and then versus. Instead of DJI Osmos 3, obviously you're going to type in the product that you found. And let me show you exactly what that looks like over on YouTube. So I'm just going to type it in. I'm going to hit the space bar, and these are all going to be content ideas. DJI Osmos Pocket 3 versus... And if we look at this, I'm just going to flip myself around here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but all of these, so DJI Pocket 3 versus the Action 5, versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max, versus the Sony ZV-E10. These are all things that your target audience is searching and looking up. You want to create those videos where you are comparing the 2 or 3 types of cameras. When you compare the 2 or 3 types of cameras, you are going to give the benefits and weaknesses of each camera. Okay, people will trust you more if you talk about both the pros and the cons, the strengths and the weaknesses. They will feel a deeper connection. They'll feel like you're actually trying to help them instead of just take their money. Between the first 5 and those videos, you should have plenty of ideas to get started. The next thing that you can do is you can do best X for Y. So best vlogging camera for YouTubers, best vlogging camera for content creators, best vlogging camera for streamers. Okay, you want to create 5 to 10 of those videos. And when you're creating these videos, in my opinion, the best way to get started creating these videos is simply take 10 or 15 minutes and write down who, what, when, where, why, and how. Now you've got that, you're going to spend 10 or 15 minutes answering those questions. So who is this DJI Osmos 3 for? Who is it not for? Where is the best place to buy it? Where should they try filming? When's the best time to get it? When not to use it? When to use it? How to use it? Best features, things of that nature. When you come up with the who, what, when, where, why, how, you are answering questions, thinking of questions and answering questions that your target audience is also thinking, and they're going to trust you for, right? So here's the next part, which is really, really important. You need to build a mailing list. If you want long-term sustained success on YouTube or any platform, I recommend that you build a mailing list. A mailing list essentially is you are going to be collecting names and emails of your target audience. The benefit of that is that even if you don't get views on your videos, or even if if YouTube goes away or you never get monetized or whatever it is, you still have access to the customer data. And you can sell them things. You can let them know when you've uploaded a new video. You can provide additional value. If you want long-term sustained success, build a mailing list. And building an email list is comprised of 4 parts. Essentially, you are going to, part number 1 is you give away something for free. It's called a lead magnet. Some people call it a freebie. This is going to be like a checklist, a planner, some sort of quick guide that you put together that people still find value. Then you are going to build a landing page. A landing page is going to be designed to talk about the pain that your target audience is currently going through and how you've provided a solution with your freebie. Then there's going to be an input box with their name and their email. And when they click submit, they're going to go to the next page, which is the thank you page. The next thing you're going to need is an autoresponder. An autoresponder sends out emails automatically on your behalf. The first email that you send out should be to deliver that freebie that they signed up for. And then you need a way to send out broadcast emails. The great thing is that there are tons of softwares that do this. My favorite one is called Gbolt Systems. There should be a link in the description. It is my software. You can also do this with ClickFunnels and Go High Level and Get Response and Aweber. There's a ton of softwares out there that do this. I just happen to like Gbolt Systems. Okay, so once you build that mailing list, you are going to put a link to the mailing list in the description of all of your videos. You're also going to include the affiliate link that will take them over to Amazon. Now, the way that this works is when you sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon, you can get what's called SiteStripe, and SiteStripe will allow you, it's kind of like a plugin that allows you to get links for products that you search. So I don't know if I have it, but on SiteStripe, I'll type in like DJI Osmos 3, and then I can get my affiliate link. And then I simply can put that affiliate link in the description of my videos. And the great thing about this is that it allows you to earn passive income, because there are going to be people that watch your content 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Also, another benefit of using Amazon that not a lot of people talk about is you can take advantage of global sales, right? You can't do that with Target. You can't do that. Maybe, I don't think you can do it with Walmart. You can't do it with Best Buy. You can't do it with most of the affiliate programs out there. But because Amazon has what's called OneLink, it allows you to link up with all of the different Amazons that are out there. There's an Amazon Germany, an Amazon Canada, Amazon US, and South America and Africa. So anytime someone buys and you've got Amazon OneLink set up, you can potentially make money from these different places all in one place. So if you live in the United Kingdom and you're creating content and you're marketing towards people in America, you can still get paid. Whereas if there is a UK company, I can't even think of one. Let's switch it. Let's say you're here in the United States and you sign up for a Best Buy affiliate program, but the United Kingdom doesn't have a Best Buy, or France doesn't have a Best Buy, then you don't get paid, and people won't get any help when you click on their affiliate link. So I know Amazon has its good and its bad, but having a global opportunity to earn affiliate commissions is really a positive. And then now that you've got that set up, the hard part is setting up your mailing list, right? That's the hard part. But once you have that set up and you set up your autoresponder sequence, you can potentially make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And all you have to do is just keep creating content. Now, every affiliate marketer, every YouTuber should strongly have an affiliate marketing component inside of their business. And especially if you have less than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, because what happens is one of your videos might go viral. And if your video goes viral, this certainly happened to me on my Security Camera Guy website, a YouTube channel. One of my videos went viral. One of my videos has 249,000 views to this date. That channel is not monetized by YouTube. So you know how much I made from the YouTube Partner Program from that one channel? Zero. But because I have affiliate links on that video and all of my videos, I was able to earn affiliate commissions even though I am not monetized by YouTube. That is the number one reason why you need to be doing affiliate marketing as a brand new YouTuber. It really, a YouTuber of any size, but as a new YouTuber especially, you want to start having income coming in. You want additional motivation to keep going. Start doing affiliate marketing. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Of course, I want to hear from you. Make sure that you comment 19-minute club down below and let people know that you stayed until the end of the video. I personally feel like if you stay until the end of these videos, you have a really good chance of being successful. The people that leave early, that only stay for 4 minutes, 5 minutes, they miss out on the important stuff. They might feel like they've heard it all before. If you've heard it all before, why haven't you implemented any of this stuff? But more importantly, the people that stay to the end have a higher chance of being successful because it shows that they are willing, ready, and able to watch an entire video and then take action on what they're seeing and hear. So make sure you comment down below. Let us know that you are part of the 19-minute club. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.